Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Lesson 2, Thevenin theorem. In the shown example, we need to find the equivalent Thevenin circuit for the network from terminals A and B seen by resistor R4. The first step is to remove resistor R4 and analyze the circuit from the point of view of terminals A and B. The next step is to find the value of R Thevenin, which means we need to turn off all sources and replace all voltage sources with a short circuit and all current sources with open circuit. After replacing the voltage source with a short circuit, it is apparent that the resistor R3 is shorted and not involved in the calculation of R Thevenin, as can be proven between the short circuit, which has a resistance of 0 in parallel with resistor R3, just to prove that any shorted element will result in a voltage of 0 across it. So R3 is not involved, and between terminals A and B, the R Thevenin is seen as the resistor R1 and R2 in parallel after it is redrawn. Next, we calculate the value of E Thevenin between terminals A and B, and it is seen that terminal A is connected to R1 and the terminal B is connected to the other side of resistor R1. Therefore, E Thevenin is the value of the voltage across resistance R1. In addition, R3 is not involved in the calculation of E Thevenin, since the battery is in parallel with R3 and R3 has a constant voltage and not involved in the calculation of the voltage across resistance R1. So R1 is involved only with R2 and the battery E1, and we use the voltage divider rule to calculate the value of E Thevenin. For clarity and simplicity, terminals A and B are removed, and the voltage across R1 is to be calculated using voltage divider rule. Therefore, the battery 8 volts is divided amongst a total of 10 ohms, with R1 taking about 60% of the voltage from the battery. Then finally we replace the network with the equivalent Thevenin circuit, with E Thevenin being 4.8 volt and R Thevenin as calculated to be 2.4 ohms. After carefully following the previous example, please answer the following questions.